यहाँ पे
अरे इतनी अच्छी हिंदी बोल रहे हो। अरे वाह, इन जापान। अरे अच्छा, सुपर लवली। क्या नाम है आपका? मिस्टी। हो जाएगा।
Requesting all of you to please take your Mr. Kartikaru brings you the Instax White Eagle, which will help you make every shot a masterpiece. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Everyone right side. कार्तिक भाई सामने। हाँ बस। कार्तिक भाई चलो। नहीं आऊँगा। मोबाइल पीछे ले, मोबाइल को पीछे ले। बस इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है। बस एक कौन हाथ लगा यार? बस इधर आ रहे हैं। थोड़ा तो दिखता क्या? बस क्या आपको भाई दोनों हाथ लगा चलो जिलेबी भाई।
बस
सामने आपके कार्तिक भाई, सामने आपके भाई सेंटर भाई यहाँ सामने कार्तिक भाई यहाँ भाई सेंटर में ऊपर यहाँ पे कार्तिक सामने। क्या बात है। चलो थैंक यू कार्तिक सर। अरे भाई गिरा
फोटो में मेरी शक्ल कम आई है।
दिखाओ ना।
हाँ वो 30 सेकंड और है। अभी धीरे धीरे आ रहा है।
जब आएगा तब दिखा दे।
आधा अधूरा दिख रहा
I don't think media people will give the chance to announce the prize. So this product is available for pre-cooking from today onwards. The product will be available from 20th of February across the country. We will come up with the premium edition box, 20 priced at 47,999. And we are also launching a new Instax White brushed metallic film at price 1299. That's it from the launch side. No more slides.
Once again, requesting all of you, please be seated. Let us take this way forward. आगे बढ़ाते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर के साथ। requesting all of you.
भाई यहाँ पे
Once again, requesting everybody, please be seated. Please take your seats. Deccan Chronicle, She wants to ask you what excites you the most about Fujifilm's latest Instax launch, and how do you personally relate to instant photography?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Hello, how are you? हाँ पूछो ना, सेम ही सवाल है। मैं वहाँ पे जवाब देता हूँ। But I think the latest launch of the flagship Instax which will provide the best possible experience to the customers. I guess for me also instant photography is about expressing myself, and at times I take pictures of the most important moments of my life and paste them in my photo wall to remind me of my journey. So I guess that is something which happens with this, and I'm so excited for this. So yeah.
Fantastic, you're right. So the next question is from Pratmesh. Alright, so I'm just putting his question to you. In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
Sorry, once again.
In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
I think it's a super product. I mean, superior product with a USP associated with the nostalgia of printed pictures. I think हम सबको photos का एक हमेशा एक वो nostalgia आता है जब हमारे हाथ में वो photos होती हैं. And I think Instax has that quality and it relates. मतलब मैं बहुत relate कर पाता हूँ उस चीज से. Sorry sir, I'm speaking in Hindi, but okay. You understand Hindi? थोड़ा. So I'll try my best. My English is not so good. Okay. No, so it's all about nostalgia, and I think it's a relatability factor when it comes to photographs in your hands, and I feel in today's digital age, when you have a camera which can provide you with such tremendous quality of photos, and it's like there are features where I can just take photographs on my phone also, or my memory. I can just transfer it to Instax camera, this camera, and they can print it out. So what better than this? I mean, sometimes you always feel like having those photographs in your hands, or maybe wall पे कभी घर पे अपने चिपका के रखना your fond memories. And I think this provides that. So I think I love this about it, and I think the youth will really connect to it, and that's why it's a must-have for the youth.
You being a youth sensation, this actually adds other. Yes. What makes this latest Instax offering unique compared to previous models, and how does it enhance the instant photography experience?
So answer to this is, as in my presentation also I said, that it's a flagship model for Instax as a category, and anybody who will go for this product, it has so many features in it that he will take a year to explore those features also. As I said, that you can click 100,000 and more expressions. That means you can use the lens effect, you can use the film effect, you can use the film style, you have the wide angle mode, then you have lots of features, degree control. So if you use all of them, maybe you can have so many images and you can become a photographer per se with this kind of camera. So that's why the tagline also says, right, make every frame a masterpiece.
Absolutely, and we're so glad that you're here. How has the Instax range evolved in India, and what kind of response have you seen from the younger audience?
So, as I said this earlier also, that it's a product targeted towards young Gen Zs and millennials, and that's the reason why Karthik is also a brand ambassador. But over the period of last 3 years, we have been growing tremendously. Almost every year we are growing by 50%. And that's thanks to the youth and Gen Z of India. India predominantly is a very young population, and hence the target audience is also matching with the Instax theme or Instax message. And with this kind of a product evolving with new AR technologies, augmented reality, a lot of different features, actually in general sense, people feel it's an analog product. The film comes out of the camera, but it's not like that. Our films also speak. You can record your voice, you have a QR code, with the QR code your image will speak. You can do a lot of doodles. So it's a trendy product. Keeping in mind the young and Gen Z audience, we are exploring more and more features in this category.
Thank you, sir. Moving on to the next question. The next question is the
I think be it Instax, I mean Fujifilm for example has a huge recall when it comes to our generation. I'm sure all of us would have used their film rolls. So the discussion with Instax, teams actually revolving around printed films was very nostalgic again for me. And basic brief to connect with the young generation so that they are able to relish or cherish their tangible memories. I think that is something which I also connected to. So I think this association, I'm really happy and excited to be a part of this family of the Instax Fujifilm family because again बचपन से ही मैं भी मतलब Fujifilm के रोल और ये सब इनसे फोटो खींचना या देखना you have those memories are वो एकदम एक प्रिंट हो जाता है ना तो वो memories की वैल्यू एक अलग होती है. So I think आजकल फोन के ज़माने में हम लोग बार इतनी सारी फोटोज खींचते हैं उसमें से पता भी नहीं चलता कि वो फोटोज कब तक बस सेव रह जाती हैं लेकिन कुछ यूजेज नहीं होता उन फोटोज का. But with this, I think we always associate our best memories, and I guess that is what I love about Fujifilm. That is what I love about Instax. So that's all.
So we as a family are
Make every shot a masterpiece. That's the tagline.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here and answering all the questions that we had. Thank you so much. And that's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. Let us all branch together and make a cheer for Kartik Aaryan. Come on, people!
सोलो नहीं वापस वीडियो में नहीं बैठ के देखो माइक नहीं वहीं पे मैं जाता हूँ. आओ भाई पीछे आओ भाई नाइस भाई कैमरा दे दो.
कैमरा मेन प्रोडक्ट हाँ
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हेलो सेंटर कार्तिक भाई इधर नीचे दिखा दो.
पहले भी तो ले रहा था. पहले निकला ही ना. मिलेगा.
हाँ चलो कितने साल से फोटो मांगता हूँ
मिलेगा.
नीचे आ रहा इधर नहीं इधर
फोन किधर आपका फोन इधर बैठो कर देंगे. क्या बात है.
बाद में
After 90 seconds.
After 90 seconds.
Alright, then, thank you so much.
हम लोग के साथ एक फोटो.
कार्तिक हमारे साथ एक फोटो निकालो. सामने इधर भी दिखाओ ना भाई. हम लोग को नहीं दिख रहा है.
इनकी फोटो है ना.
हम लोग के साथ नहीं.
मैं तभी तो वहाँ आ रहा हूँ. अभी बैठे रहना लेकिन.
पुष्कर भाई इकडे बघा. पुष्कर भाई आला 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 कार्तिक सर उत्तर भाऊ कार्तिक भाऊ उत्तर भाऊ उत्तर भाऊ कार्तिक भाई
थैंक यू भाई
ओ सर कितना सेल्फी ले रहे हो
बेटा